Hey guys, Scott here in the Eastwood Garage, and today I'd like to teach you guys how to take a dent out of a plastic bumper. In the body shop over the years, I've done hundreds of these, and if you're looking to get into dent repair, it's a great place to start as there's minimal risk involved. Today I'm going to be using the Eastwood Digital Heat Gun to be able to heat up this plastic and push this dent back out again. In most instances, the dent will come out almost 100% just using heat. So let's go ahead and get started. Having the Eastwood Digital Heat Gun allows you to precisely set the temperature so you don't overheat your part. It also comes with a wide range of accessories for other applications. Today I'm using a tool that everybody should have in their garage, the 750-pound work stand. This thing's perfect for holding parts while you're sanding, painting, buffing, grinding, you name it. And I've even gone ahead and grabbed one of our extension bars to hold this bumper perfectly while I do the repair. To work the dent out with minimal stress, I always choose the heat from the outside of the dent towards the center. I begin heating the area slowly, feeling the plastic as it begins to heat up. Just be careful not to burn your hand. Since there are so many different materials in which bumpers are made from, you probably won't know its exact point in which it becomes very pliable. I choose to just continually make little test pushes with a glove to see how the area feels. Once the plastic starts to move more easily, it's time to live by the rule of first in, last out. This simply refers to whichever part of the dent was pushed in first is the last part you'll be working out. Generally, this is the part of the dent which is the deepest. I work in from the edges of the dent, as you can see here. Just be patient as you work, and you can work out the majority of the dent as you see I just did. As you guys can see, repairing plastic bumpers at home is super easy. This whole job took me about 5 minutes and saved me hundreds I would have spent at a body shop. The Eastwood Digital Heat Gun made getting this dent out super easy. For this heat gun or any tool you see here, you can click or tap the button in the corner, or you can follow the link that appears on screen.